In this video, we're going to evaluate the integral of 2 over the product of x and ln of x taken to the 4th power. And I'm going to use a U-substitution. I'll let u equal to ln of x. So then du would equal to the derivative of ln of x, which would be 1 over x dx. And I notice here I have a dx over x here. I can move this over here. This is over x here. So you have to be able to see that in order to select the best U-substitution that will give you an easier way to work the integral here, or evaluate the integral. So I'm going to make my substitution here. Dx over x is du. And I've got the 2 there, so it'll be 2 du. And of course the ln of x here is u. And that's taken to the 4th power. So now we're set. We have transformed the integral in terms of u. So let's take this over to the numerator. Gives me a 2 u to the negative 4. Take it up. Have to change the sign of the exponent. This will be du. And then basic integration, power rule for integrals. Add 1 to the negative 4. I get a negative 3. Then divide the coefficient by negative 3. I get a negative 2/3. And it's plus the constant of integration. And we always want to go back to the original variable. So it'd be negative 2/3 here. And then the u is ln of x. This is taken to the negative 3 power. I could put the negative 3 right in here, but I'll put it up here. This is plus the constant of integration. And you can do a quick check here on this one. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to check it, a little bit more involved than evaluating. But this one's pretty straightforward. If I go ahead and take the derivative, I have a negative 3 then, using the power rule here. Negative 3 times the negative 2/3 cancels the 3. And if because it's a negative times a negative, it's a positive 2 here. And then of course I subtract 1 from the exponent, so this will be a negative 4. ln of x here. And then using the chain rule, I take the derivative of the ln of x, that's 1 over x. And you should be able to see that that's the same thing as the integram. We have the 2 and the 2 there. ln of x to the negative 4, if I take it to the denominator, it changes the sign. So you can see I can rewrite this as 2 over, and then take the ln of x to the denominator. And of course it's to the 4th power here. Changes the sign. And of course you have the x there also. So I get 2 over x, ln of x to the 4th, and then of course it's the integrand. That's your check. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.